Alright, so this is a quick update to the experiment that I'm running. This is quite a mess, and I apologize for this isn't great workmanship, but whatever. Okay, so the goal is to have 5 columns of RGB panels running, in essence, a 320 by 256 array. I really only need 240 pixels of vertical resolution, but that's fine. So I have 5 Raspberry Pis again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 of which are actually connected to 3 strips of RGB panels. And the way the RGB matrix works is it will actually take information and want to shoot items horizontally. So if I kind of rotate the camera, then this would be the display data. We would kind of move that way. However, I needed to modify it so that I could have vertical strips. So in order to do that, I kind of just moved the buffer data around. Now the goal is to replicate this guy, which is an ESP32 system. So that's our video game. And that works fine, but what I'm going to do is take this guy, a Pi 3B Plus, which is connected to this guy, and have him shuttle TCP/IP data using Boost library, and we're going to have the Raspberry Pis render information. So we're going to go ahead and run the command here. Pardon the shakiness, I'm trying to do this with one hand. And here we go. So what we don't see in the live display is the flickering. I mean, that's just a sheer issue of the frame rate. But the hypothesis is sound. The game works very, very well. I'm actually very impressed with how well this is working. So the next step is to hook up some more panels. I need to actually solder the E pin and ground to all these boards. Here I have it set up as a prototype, but it works. This is very encouraging. And then once we have the prototype working, then I will go ahead and assemble it into one massive display with an aluminum frame, and boom, gets the job done.